GE front load, GFWR4800F0WW. Display shows off, power button lit up, start button flashing. Won't do anything, won't power off. Unplugged for overnight and same thing.
Hello, and welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will be the one to assist you. Sorry to hear that you are having this trouble. I apologize for the extended wait time you experienced. I've only just come online now and would like to assist you with your question if you are still needing help, that is.
Please.
Just a few moments while I pull up some information. Also, the site is going to offer an automatic phone call offer. It's not for me. Please disregard the offer. Have you tried holding in the power button for 5 seconds?
Yep, also hold the start button.
Service mode entry models with X rinse key, press and release the X rinse key, then press and release the delay wash key, then press and release the X rinse key, then press and release the delay wash key. Models with rinse key, press and release the rinse key, then press and release the delay wash key, then press and release the rinse key, then press and release the delay wash key.
Doesn't work. The power light is on. Start light is blinking. Door is locked. Try to get into service mode and doesn't work. The minute you plug in unit, those buttons are on or blinking and off scrolls on display. Hit the call button but didn't mean to. Don't need to call.
Will it let you manually put the unit on the drain/spin mode?
Nope.
Okay, we are going to need to manually unlock the door then. Do you want to try this?
I unplugged the door switch and didn't do anything. But you can tell how to manually unlock it, and I will try tomorrow. But once I do that, what should I do?
You will need to open the top, slide it back, reach your hand inside. On the right hand side there should be a wire you can pull that will unlock the door.
The wire to pull. Are you speaking of the communication/power wire to the switch? Because I unhooked it and plugged unit back in. The door lock wasn't lit, but it didn't unlock.
No, it's a manual unlock switch you're actually pulling.
Okay. Then try what? Just plug it in and see what happens.
Yep, that will be the next step. Have a good rest of your night. I wanted to check in with you to see what happened with your unit after last night.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.